Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the class is defined and exported correctly, then import it into the file where you will use it. Instantiate the class with the minimal required configuration, for example, API key and options object, and assign it to a clear variable name. Once done, call the primary initializer or connect method immediately so internal state is set. Make sure to handle synchronous errors with try-catch and log meaningful messages for the next step. Now you execute the class methods in the correct sequence. You call init, then authenticate, then any fetch or action methods in that order. Use await to keep control flow readable or chain promises with then and catch to handle errors. Once you receive data, validate its shape and update your app state or UI immediately because delayed updates cause race conditions. If multiple instances exist, namespace event handlers and cleanup to prevent leaks and unexpected. Finish by calling the class teardown or close method to release sockets, timers, or subscriptions. This prevents memory leaks and strange behavior. Run tests for edge cases like network interruptions and invalid credentials, and simulate empty or malformed responses to verify graceful handling. If something fails, inspect logs for timestamps, payload sizes, and error stacks, and replay the failing sequence locally. If necessary, add short retry logic with exponential backoff and clear user feedback so you can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.